I got 20 different names. I got 100 different
on
names.
your birth certificate.
On this channel, the law and the footage are the teachers. If this analysis clarified something, subscribe. If any part is wrong, the comments are where that argument gets made, because that is how legal understanding actually improves. A retail store, a routine loss prevention call, and a 13-minute encounter that ended in a booked arrest. Not for shoplifting, for 2 charges that came into existence only after officers arrived. Here is how the law reads it. The location is redacted at request. The setting? A national retail store in a U.S. jurisdiction using stop and identify enforcement. Officers were flagged by loss prevention alleging concealment of merchandise in bags. The subject offered a torrent of names: Stephanie Smith, Michelle Austin, Lisa Simpson, Susan B. Anthony refused, ceded compliance, threatened officers with assault and spitting, and was cuffed. Charged obstruction, disorderly conduct.
Stop. What are you doing with all your stuff in the bag? All the stuff you're concealing in bags.
I came with bags in here.
That's not what the LP's saying.
I don't know. I haven't had any problems the whole time I've been here. I'm just riding around, looking around.
Okay, well, they're saying that you're putting merchandise and stuff in your bag. Are you planning on paying for any of that?
Of course.
Do you have money on you?
Of course, I have cash on me. This some lady was following me around when I got here.
Okay, so is this all merchandise from the store then?
Oh, this is much shit that I came with. I'm not no broke bitch. I got plenty of shit. I got shit in this store and everything.
Do you have an ID on you?
No, I don't have anything on me.
Do you have a SOCH on you? Do you have a SOCH?
I don't have none of that.
Why not?
I mean, what's the problem?
They're claiming right now that the shoes that you have on your feet, you've got in storage.
I did do that. I always do that. I always put something on my feet. I got shoes.
Okay.
It was a lady this lady right here in jeans. There's a couple of them. I don't know.
Okay, well, that's
problem?
loss prevention, and they've been watching you put stuff in bags.
I haven't put anything in my bag. I put these shoes on. That's about it. Is it a problem? Did I do anything to you? You know me?
I don't know you yet.
Okay, that's what I'm saying. I don't have anything. I mean, I don't have my information on me, but everybody knows who I am. I mean,
I don't know who you are.
I don't know what the stocking is about. I don't know what the problem is about. I'm not no disrespectful person. Yes, I do change my motherfucking shoes.
Now they're saying you also put merchandise underneath your shirt. Do you have anything on you?
I don't have nothing on me. I don't have nothing on me. I mean, the camera is a rolling thing. I'm not no bum. If I needed anything, I'm going to get it whether I had cash or not. I'm not going to play myself, disrespect myself. I don't know what the problem is. I mean, probably don't like me. Like I said, probably jealous of me. I don't fuck around. I don't fuck around with no dangerous information, but I shot.
Alright, so they're not going to allow you to pay for anything that you selected, okay? And they want you to trespass from the store.
That's fine.
Okay, so what's your information? I need your SOCH.
My name is Stephanie Smith. I don't know my social. I don't go by my social.
Alright, so you have a pair of shoes you can put on?
Yeah, I got the shoes I can put on. She can get these and shove them up her ass. Put them on.
And just to clarify again, you don't have anything on your person from the store.
No.
Because they're going to go back and watch footage, and if they don't have it in those bags...
Shit of her. That she came past and said, "Little ugly bitch." That's what I heard that woman say.
I'm just letting you know, if you have any merchandise on you and you leave the store, you'll have a warrant put out for your arrest.
I don't care. I haven't passed the sales of merchant.
Yes, I'm saying if you have anything on your person right now.
Sir, I didn't have shit. I got this, what he's pointed at. So other than that, I was just carrying in this. I usually carry a basket. A little bit jealous of me. Get your shit. I wasn't stealing it. This is mine.
That's not yours.
This is mine.
No, it's not.
This is already war.
Okay.
This is mine. This was already on there. I just had all of this is mine. This is my shit.
Okay. Well, first off, we got another problem. You gave me a fake name, so if you want to get charged,
I know my name.
Okay. If you want to get charged with falsification, then tell me your right name.
My name is Stephanie. I got my ID. I got several wallets, several IDs.
Okay. Well, I asked you for that earlier.
Information. Michelle Austin. I know my name. I got several names. I don't just have one name. I have several names, sir. I don't have to lie about shit.
All right, we heard you the first couple of times.
I can give you all my information. I don't have an ID. I have my information, my birth certificate.
Okay,
I got my birth certificate.
Okay, let's see that. Any type of official ID.
Can you get them shirts, please? I don't want no motherfucking trouble over this bullshit. I got cash. My father got plenty of money. I got plenty of money. I came in here with that. I just wore that shit yesterday. I know my fake name. I know my name. I can give you 20 names. All of them is mine.
Well, I want the one that's your legal government name.
All of them are my legal government names.
Okay, well, I need a real name.
I can give you any name. Michelle. Michelle is my real name. Michelle Austin. Lisa Simpson. That's mine. That's mine. You can look on camera. That's mine. I didn't put that in my bag. That's mine. That's mine. Look on camera. I already gave you, which I gave you. My family. You can call my
152. We'll have one detained.
Can you give me that?
Once they confirm it's not stolen, you can have it back.
Get the shirt and get my bow.
Huh?
Can you get my shirt and get my bow? Can you get that bow for me?
Can you give me your real name?
I just told you.
Ma'am, we're really not trying to give you a hard time.
I know my real motherfucking name. I'm on TV. I don't have no reason to lie.
Okay.
I know my real name.
Whatever legal
I can
documentation
give you
that
Mark
have.
Simpson, Lisa Simpson.
Doctrine 1. The authority to stop. Under Terry v. Ohio, decided 1968, an officer needs reasonable, articulable suspicion, specific facts, not a hunch that criminal activity is happening. A hunch never suffices. A loss prevention officer's contemporaneous, first-hand report of observed concealment is a recognized basis for that suspicion. The stop's scope must remain reasonably related to the reason for the stop, no more. No fishing expedition. Brown versus Texas, 1979, marks the outer limit. If there is no articulable suspicion in the first place, there is no lawful stop and no obligation to identify. Suspicion is the precondition to every duty that follows. Doctrine 2, the identity question. Heibel versus 6th Judicial District Court of Nevada, decided 2004, held that during a lawful Terry stop, a state may compel a person to state their name. Refusal can itself be chargeable. But Heibel is narrow. It requires a valid stop and identify statute in the jurisdiction. It is limited to name alone. It does not authorize demanding documents, and the underlying stop must itself be lawful. Read it as a small window, not a wall.
I know all my motherfucking names. Susan B. Anthony, all my names.
I'm looking through this one too.
This is my shit.
Okay, well you had stolen goods in the other one.
She got my bow in her hand.
Okay,
Get
well,
my bow.
You just had a stolen shirt on, okay, first of all. So
It don't matter. She's not keeping that bow.
If it's yours, we'll give it back to you. They're confirming on the case. Do you have an ID on you?
No, I don't carry ID. Is that the problem?
Yes, because we need to identify.
It doesn't matter. I got my own shit.
What is your legal name?
I just told you. Are you jealous of it?
You told us 20 different names.
I know my name. I got 20 different names. I got 100 different
on
names.
your birth certificate.
I don't
have
got
20 names on
my legal name on my birth. Yes, I do. I know my birth names.
I'm telling you, you don't. You keep lying to us.
I
So you
don't
don't have
have to
anything
lie.
on
Is you jealous of me? I know my information.
Obviously, you
I
don't.
know
'Cause
my
you won't give it to
information.
us.
Susan B. Anthony. I know my information. Lisa Simpson. I know my information. Michelle Austin. I'm on TV. Have you ever seen
So-
Step by Step?
Here's the thing. Okay,
You
so as
understand
of
me?
now, with you being trespassed from the store,
Yeah.
we need to identify who you are.
You can put Lisa Simpson.
If you do not identify
I-
yourself,
what
you will
do you
be
want me to
arrested
say?
for obstruction. Okay?
Okay, I mean, you can do that because I'm not gonna give you I'm not gonna disrespect myself and give you no other name.
Okay, well, the name you gave us, we had them run it, and
I
it doesn't
don't
come back
care.
to anybody.
Your computer can't tell me my information. My father,
It
Stefan, can come right here, right now. I know my information. I don't have to tell nobody's information.
Okay, right. So right now you are getting trespassed.
Okay, so
Okay.
that's fine.
Okay, so if you give me a
Can you
name,
give me my bow, please?
no, it's not yours.
That's not mine.
That's hers.
Okay.
I don't know my information. I don't have to say from y'all.
If I give you the
I don't
bowl-
give a fuck about that. I ain't no disrespectful
Well,
person.
I need a name.
I just gave it to you. What you want? What you want me to say? Are you jealous of my name? I mean, everybody knows. Put Mara Simpson, Susan B. I mean, I got plenty of names, baby. I came to life with a name.
We need one
I know
that you
my
were born
fucking
with.
name.
I need the one you were born with.
Susan B. Susan B. Anthony. You can say any name. My brother is Gerard Smith. My husband is Gerard Smith. I know my motherfucking information.
So right now you are being detained until you give me a real name.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay. Nope. Just sit down.
Can I
Just
put
sit
my
down.
shoes on?
That's what you were doing. I didn't.
I just gave you this shit back. I just told you everything.
Okay, just put your shoes on.
Oh, girl,
get away from me.
Okay. So if they walk away, will you give me your real name?
Why you so jealous of me?
I'm not.
I'm talking to these bitches.
Sit down. Just sit down.
Put my shoes on. I don't want to sit down. You said I was getting arrested. I gave you that shit
I did
back.
not say you were getting arrested.
I know my motherfucking information.
Can you tell me it?
I just told you. I gotta give you all my information, bitch. My shit is in the stores. You see this? Bitch, I know my motherfucking information. Michelle Austin, bitch. I know my information.
What's the birthday for Michelle Austin? This is the
I
last
told
name
you
that
I was
we're gonna
born
run.
in 84. I'm about to be 30-something years, 39
Michelle
years
Austin.
old.
We're hooking her for obstruction.
152. Copy one more name and date of birth. First name's gonna be Michelle. Last name's gonna be Austin.
Can you put that stuff back in that bag? Cause she not keeping my shit. Jealous ass geekers. Damn, bitch. What you want me to say?
I want you to give me a real name.
I did. Is you jealous? What you want me my name to be?
Ephraim. You're clear.
All right, man, stand up for me.
Can I have my stuff
Nope,
or you
stand
gonna
up.
leave it?
Stand up.
Can I put my shoes
No.
on? I didn't give you her shoes back. I just want to put
I'm
my
telling
shoes
you right
on.
now,
I
ma'am.
didn't do nothing.
Put your hands behind your back.
Can I put my shoes on, please?
I've given you
I
enough
had
chance.
shoes, or I gave you her shoes.
I've given you enough
I
time.
didn't do nothing though.
Yes, you did.
I just want to put my shoes on.
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay, can I please put my shoes on
Put your
first?
shoes on once you're handcuffed. Stand up.
So what? I gotta walk out here with no shoes
We'll
on?
put your shoes on before we take you outside.
I
Stand
cooperated with you. Can I just please put my shoes on first?
Stand up.
Can I please put my shoes on? I didn't say I wasn't going to stand up. Can I just put my? Can you put them on, dear?
No.
Why not?
We'll put them on before you go outside.
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay, can you please
Wait,
get my
it's-
bags, please? Because I don't have that
Put
much.
your hands behind your back.
I didn't say I wouldn't. Don't assault
Quit
me.
tensing
Don't assault
up.
me.
I'm telling you right now.
Why am I going to jail? I gave you that shit back.
What Hybel does not protect is worse. Knowingly furnishing a false name to a peace officer is a separate crime in the majority of U.S. jurisdictions, usually a misdemeanor, sometimes a felony where it impedes a felony investigation. Silence has legal protection. Lies do not. The subject in this case did not decline to answer. She generated many answers, some obvious inventions. That single decision converted a possible walkout into a standalone criminal offense. Doctrine 3, Speech versus Conduct, City of Houston versus Hill, 1987, protects a significant amount of verbal criticism directed at police. Profanity alone rarely sustains a disorderly conduct charge under U.S. law. What crosses the line is threat and tumult, sustained loud outbursts in a place open to the public, threats to strike an officer, threats to spit while in custody. The statute reaches conduct, not annoyance, but this record supplies conduct. Doctrine 4, Force, Graham versus Connor, 1989. Judges any use of force by objective reasonableness from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, not the calm of hindsight, not the outrage of a comment section.
Go down
Go
your
down
knees.
where?
Go down your knees.
Why? Why are you disrespecting me,
But
sir?
you won't let us put a handcuff on.
I didn't say that. I'm trying to get my shoes on.
You want to add another charge?
No.
You're
You wanna add it?
obstructing.
I'm just trying to put my shoes on. Damn. Why you always disrespecting me? Because I can't get... I'm not fighting.
You're not.
I'm not. I'm just want... Ouch. I'm not fighting, sir.
Stop.
He keeps grabbing me.
All right, walk.
I just want to put some shoes on.
Walk.
You missed that opportunity.
Walk.
I didn't do nothing. Can you not do that? Can I put my jacket on?
Walk.
I'm just putting my jacket on.
I've given you enough opportunities.
I gave you my name. Get my bag. Get my bag.
Go to my car.
Your car. Give me my stuff. Oh, you jealous ass motherfucker. This motherfucker right here is jealous. Why y'all so jealous of me? I should have just punched this bitch in his face.
You want to add another charge?
He is jealous of me. When I get down to this jail, I'm gonna have my people smack the f*** out of you. I wanna smack the f*** out of y'all. Don't mace me. Get this mace out my pocket, matter of fact. Can you get the mace out my
We're
pocket?
going to. Pat her down real quick.
Pat me down for what? I didn't do shit.
Going to jail.
For what? For what? Don't assault me. Don't assault me, bitch. I have a nigga shoot the fuck
out of you.
Do you have anything on you that's going to stick
No,
your
I don't have no weapons or nothing.
Okay, where's the mace at? Turn this way.
I'm told him it's in my pocket. I've been cooperative, telling y'all everything, and you still gonna take me to jail?
You haven't been cooperative.
Man, you sorry ass bitch.
I didn't feel anything.
I don't know you. It's right here.
So it's going to eject.
Put my shoes on, please.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
Right. Can I ask you something?
What?
Why am I going to
Because
jail?
you can't tell me your real name.
I did tell you my information.
Sit down.
But I did, sir.
Go in the car.
I did, though. Can you get my bags?
Sit down.
Why can't I have my bags?
Well, get your stuff. Sit down.
Why am I getting detained?
The test weighs 3 factors: severity of the offense, immediate threat, and whether the person is actively resisting or attempting to flee. Here, verbal commands, guided placement, double-locked cuffs sit within the ordinary range. Doctrine 5, Search Incident to Arrest. Chimmel versus California, 1969, authorizes a search of the person and immediate area once the arrest is lawful. When the subject volunteered she had mace in her pocket, retrieval was lawful. Doctrine 6, The Warning. Miranda versus Arizona, decided 1966, attaches at the intersection of custody and interrogation, not automatically at handcuffing. Officers delivered the warning during transport, before questioning began. Booking questions and simple identity questions require no warning. Interrogation does. Every statement after Miranda is on the record and available to any prosecutor. This is where cases are usually decided, long before a courtroom. The original problem of store trespass may or may not have been a crime. The 2 final charges, obstruction and disorderly conduct, were both created after officers arrived. From that fact, 4 transferable lessons follow.
You're not detained at this point. You're in custody.
In custody for what?
So you can't tell us your real name.
I told you.
She's not gonna put it
Give me my family. Get away from me.
I'm going to go ahead and read her the rights. Although she ain't going to want to hear it, but...
Book her Jane Doe.
Alright, ma'am, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be against you in a court of law.
I should have spit on you, bro. You better get the f away from me.
Do you understand these rights that have been read to you?
I just spit on you in your motherfucking face. Break your motherfucking nose, bitch. Bitch, you just gonna leave my shit in there, bitch, so I can sell it. When you open this door, I'm spitting dead in your face. Except them shorts.
I'll be en route to Greene County. If you can advise them, she's going to be uncooperative.
That's probably your family, but I'm gonna spit on you, bitch. I don't believe in jail or none of that, my I don't believe in jail.
She's Jane Doe at this point, so she might have stuff in her pants, stolen merchandise, we don't know yet. We didn't have a female to get up.
Y'all motherfuckers should have been going in there getting some a motherfucking outfit. I don't give a f about none of you motherfuckers.
Lesson 1. Composure is a legal instrument. Under adrenaline, attention narrows and volume rises. Every right that silence protects is preserved by staying calm. Every right the law grants is easier to invoke from a chair than from the ground. Lesson 2. Never manufacture a second charge. The original problem may or may not survive scrutiny. A false name almost always is a fresh crime. Silence is protected. Real identity is compelled by Hibble. Inventions are neither, and they compound. Lesson 3. Know the line between detention and arrest. Detention is temporary, based on reasonable suspicion, limited to the reason for the stop. Arrest requires probable cause. Ask which it is. The answer changes what officers may lawfully do. Lesson 4. What is said becomes the record. From loss prevention aisle to transport vehicle, every word is captured. Threats are evidence. Volunteered admissions are evidence. If nothing else, remember the camera is running long before Miranda.